All right. Before we even hit the road, this right here is probably the most important part of the whole trip, setting up the hitch. And I'll be honest, our first big mistake, we didn't pay enough attention to the hitch height and the receiver level. At the time, thought close enough is good enough. It wasn't. We hooked everything up, we hit the road, and right away something just felt way off. Trailer wasn't sitting right. Not on the hitch, just was not sitting right. Looking back, it was a pretty simple fix. The trailer just wasn't sitting level. That one small detail makes a huge difference. So now, before anything else, we check that the trailer is sitting level with the truck, not nose up, not nose down, just as straight as you can make it. If it's off, make whatever adjustments you need on the hitch or on the receiver side to get that trailer level. It affects handling, braking, even tire wear. Drop the coupler, lock it in, set your chains in place, and put on your safety brake, and you should be good to go. Biggest thing we've learned was that first mistake. That's why we put together the full setup routine. Check out our website and blog if you want the full breakdown. It's linked below.
Make sure you smash that subscribe button to our channel and subscribe to our website blogs at www.wildroadsac.com. Until next adventure blog, make sure your trailer is level before you tow and stay safe.